Hello and welcome to my tutorial of how to upload my Crocs asset to your avatar. First you want to open up this and you can choose between which one you want. I'm going to just go with the normal one. And then unpack and drag it onto your avatar. You're going to want to open up that so you can get to the toes and the feet bones. Then open up your avatar down to your toes and feet bones, and then drag the bones into your avatar. So toes left, feet left, toes right, and feet right. Then after that, you're gonna need to open up the Avatar 3.0 Manager and drag your avatar in. Go to the FX. Go to the animations folder and drag the FX for the Crocs into here and merge. Then you're going to want to also merge the parameters. Copy that over. Then you can go over to the animations folder of your avatar and find the menu. Open up the menu and just Crocs, make it a sub menu, add a little picture, and then find the sub Crocs menu. And that should be it for uploading it normally. If you have another avatar, I made some blend shapes that you can use to make it fit better if you need to make it like wider and other things if you need it. There are also bones on the feet that you can also kind of stretch around if you want to move it that way, as well as scaling it. So if you want to scale it, you're probably going to need to attach the toes back into the feet and then scale the whole thing so everything scales together. And that should be about it.